Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error when you can have Instagram error editing posts, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just try to close your app and open again. Also, you can try to check updates for your Instagram app, so just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Instagram. And if you still have this error, so just try to check your internet connection, so just go to the settings, and if you're using Wi-Fi, just turn off Wi-Fi and turn on again. If you're using mobile data, just turn off mobile data and turn on again. Also, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. So this is the way how you can fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.